need free water, sugar, and be the best.
So what we're making today, baby?
Free.
All right. What's up, guys? Uncut Eats again. Today, hanging out with the beautiful Alani.
Thank you.
So what we're making today, Pumpkin, again?
Free.
All right. So what we got over here?
Cat.
Carrots. What we got right here?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. We got some cucumber here, some ginger, and of course some sour orange. All right. We're gonna use a little our coconut palm sugar here as usual,
Water.
and of course we gotta add water to it, right? So the first thing we're gonna do, what we're gonna do first?
Free.
We're gonna add our carrots in, right?
I just want to do this.
Yeah, so come get some carrots. Let's put some carrots in there, baby. Alright? Now guess what? Ginger time. Let's put some ginger in there. Making a natural juice is gonna be really good for you. That's good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend this out first. Leave that not yet, baby. We're gonna blend this out first and then we're gonna strain it.
I hold me some more.
Pour the water in there. Good job. Whoa, baby. You're making a mess. Alright, that's good. Alright, so now we're gonna get this blended. Let's cover this up. Watch your fingers close. Daddy will take it from here.
I want to be first.
You want to press it? Alright, not this one, this one. Come on, you gotta put. Alright, so when you blend out the carrot and ginger, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and strain that. So that's the reason why I blended it up first, because we're not gonna strain the rest of the ingredients.
I want to make a peanut honey.
Yes, baby.
Honey.
Yes, we have to strain it first, right? So we don't get all these things in the drink. You're not gonna like it
Pour
then.
it out.
Yeah.
Pour it out.
Yes. So once we go ahead and strain all that, guys, just wanna make sure you don't get none of that pulp in there. You know, all that stuff is gonna
Water.
make it
Water.
grainy and stuff. All right.
And
So
water.
give me a second. Let me rinse this blender back out, and we'll come back and get started again. All right, guys. So now we're gonna go ahead and blend the pineapples and the cucumber.
Give me
And so,
some free.
yes. All right. You ready, baby? You wanna add the pineapples in for Daddy?
Yes.
All right. Okay. Let me get some of that. Oh, that's a big handful right there. All right. Nice. That looks good. All right, and Daddy will add some cucumber to that, all right?
I have a couple.
So guys, we're gonna try to get this in one blend. So a lot of veggies and fruits in here, but we're gonna try. Should have split this up in two, but we're gonna do it in one. Now we're gonna go ahead and add that carrot and ginger water back to this.
With that work?
Yes. And we got some extra water, guys, which you can always add if needed. Well, let's see what it looks like when it starts blending. Get this back covered up.
Water
Yes, I know, babe.
You got water.
Uh-huh. All right, so let's check on this real quick. All right, guys.
Wow.
I
The
know.
mop is going to kiss it.
You want to taste it?
I want
Okay,
to.
come on, let's taste it. What it taste like? Taste like you want some sugar?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna put some sugar in there. So Princess said needs some sugar. So let's go ahead and add some palm sugar to this, alright? Now guys, again, this is a good sugar. It's not as sweet as regular sugar. So you can use a little bit more. We'll go 2 big spoons in there. That should be good while we're here. Let's go ahead and squeeze some of this sour orange juice in here. Again, yes, here, these are sour oranges and not sweet.
I want to put it in.
I'm trying to squeeze one in there. Come on, you gotta squeeze this to help you. Nice. Good job, Princess. All right, so guess what now? No more. Leave that for now, okay? We're gonna go ahead and throw this back on and finish blending it out.
Yes,
Cover that back up. Back on top, lock it in. Yes, cover your ears. You ready? Let's go. Okay, guys, that should be good enough. Let's go ahead and look at that. Oh yeah, that looks good. Let's go ahead, as usual, you know, the frozen wine glass. You know how we do. We're gonna go ahead and Pour 2 glasses. That's for me. And that's for Princess. Alright, Princess, let's try this. Get yours. Get your glass, baby. What happened? You don't want to? Alright, come on. Let's cheers. Nice. That's good?
Yep, it's just thin.
Yeah?
But it's just yucky.
It
That's yucky.
tastes yucky? Too much ginger for you, baby?
Yes,
But it's good for you though, right? Come on, let's have another
Sugar.
drink. Mmm. That's gonna make baby so strong. Again, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. All natural juice. Thank you again for watching as usual. You know, we're gonna have Lonnie on our
Big
page a little bit
thumbs
more.
up.
And big thumbs up. Don't forget.
Okay,
Thanks, guys.
this is. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.